Some of the great opportunities we have seen during EBS in those different sessions we have had here is, first of all, the opportunities going forward from Europe and the European economy, given we are the largest investor in the BRIC countries, so Brazil, Russia, India, China, and we focused on one of those yesterday in Brazil, where with a population of 200 million people plus almost 100 million in the neighboring countries that compose the Mercosur, those are great additional growth and further growth opportunities for the EU, not only for investing there. It's interesting that we have invested, the EU has invested twice as much in Brazil as it has in China so far, so the focus in Brazil has been very strong already. But with Mercosur that keeps on growing, it's further opportunities we have to pursue there, keep on developing new industries, deployment of broadband, access to the internet that is very vibrant right now in Brazil and in the Mercosur countries, and not only by doing it ourselves, but also working with a lot of local companies in Brazil and in the neighboring countries that are very, very competitive. So I think the opportunities for direct investment, but also co-investment with those companies for those countries, and also for re-exporting from those countries to other parts of the world. So I think it's, again, if we do good work there, it's additional growth opportunities for both the EU and the companies and the countries of Mercosur, in which Brazil is the largest one.